I am going to be putting together this 1,000 piece puzzle by Terry Redlin. Shoreline Neighbors. Let's get started. Okay, open up this puzzle box and empty out all the puzzle pieces. Wow, they made a mistake. They gave me 2 of these posters. Okay, isn't that nice? Wow, they must have been in a hurry. You gave me 2. Okay, so now what we're going to do, I'm going to separate my puzzle pieces. I'm going to take all the puzzle pieces that has the straight edges. I'm going to put on this side. The non-edges I'm going to put on this side. And I'm going to separate these puzzle pieces and then I will come back. I have completed separating the puzzle pieces. Now I'm going to work on my puzzle frame. I'm going to continue to put these pieces together. And when I come back, I will show my progress. I want to show my progress on my puzzle frame, and this is what I have so far. When I come back, I will show the completed puzzle frame. I have completed my puzzle frame, and now I'm going to look at my puzzle box. I am going to pull the blue pieces and the white and lighter orange pieces. I'm going to pull these pieces from my puzzle pile, and then I will come back. I have pulled these pieces from my puzzle pile. Now what I am going to do is work on these pieces, and I will come back with my progress. I want to show my progress so far, and this is what I have. I'm going to continue to work on these puzzle pieces, and I will come back with my progress. This is my progress on what I completed. I am stuck right now, so I am going to go to my puzzle pile, and I see a lot of these lighter pieces, which is the orange, and I'm going to pull all these pieces out, and then I'm going to come back. I have pulled these puzzle pieces from my puzzle pile, so I'm going to work on these pieces, and when I come back, I will show my progress. I want to show my progress. This is what I have completed so far. I have these pieces left. I am going to put those pieces in, and when I come back, I will show the complete puzzle. The puzzle is complete. Terry Redlin, Shoreline Neighbors. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. I have more videos to show. Thank you for watching.